What's the meaning of covered wagon? Covered wagon. Covered wagon.
Covered wagon. Covered wagon. A covered wagon is a type of horse-drawn vehicle that was commonly used by pioneers and settlers during the 19th century to transport their belongings across long distances. It typically consisted of a wooden frame with a canvas cover stretched over it to protect the contents from the sun and rain. The covered wagon played a significant role in the westward expansion of the United States, allowing people to travel great distances and settle in new territories. Today, covered wagons are often used for recreational purposes or as a nostalgic reminder of America's pioneering past.